In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Expedia points. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this process either through the website at www.expedia.com or through the mobile app. Regardless of which option you pick, the process is roughly the same. All you have to do is open up your profile by clicking on your icon at the top right corner of the screen and then selecting account from the drop-down menu. In here, switch over to the Expedia Rewards tab and you will be able to get a summary of how many points you get and your progress. Now, to use your points, all you have to do is choose between all of these available options: redeem for hotel, rental cars, things to do, packages, and flight. I'm just going to go ahead and select redeem for flight. Choose whichever one satisfies you, and you will be immediately redirected to this page, where you can once again click Start Planning a Trip. In here, you will have to input the details about the trip that you are planning. So include the details. I'm going to go ahead and type New York and then choose a check-in and check-out date. Include the amount of people who are traveling and search according to your filters. You will be able to browse through all of the options, and you can also find member prices over here that are discounted. Choose whichever one is best for you using the filters at the right side of the screen, and all you have to do once you find a reservation that you wish is go through the payment process. When you arrive at the payment methods option, scroll down and you should have a box over here that allows you to use your Expedia points. As you can see, sadly, I don't have the option to demonstrate to you because I don't have points, but you would be able to use any points you have available over here on the payment method window. Afterwards, select complete booking and go through with the process, and you will be able to redeem your Expedia points. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Expedia points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.